Hi, hello everyone, this is Ananya and I'm back with another video and I'll see you after the intro. This video is gonna be a book review of a book that I've read recently. It was totally different from what I used to read, so this is gonna be a experience from a beginner's point of view. Let me tell you a little bit about me and reading. मैं बहुत enjoy करती हूँ reading. It is one of the best and the topmost hobbies that I have. I'm an avid reader and I have too many books on my TBR. Like I have no count. मेरे पास बहुत सारे books की physical copies भी हैं जो मैंने पढ़ी नहीं है अभी तक. Some books are because I love their summaries. Some books are because somebody recommended them. Some books are because I was following the author. कुछ ऐसी हैं जिनके cover इतने सुंदर थे कि ले ही लिया. Right. So that is about physical TBR. To be read. TBR is to be read. All the books that are on my list that I have not read yet are on my TBR. तो बहुत सारे books physical copies में हैं, बहुत सारे books PDFs में हैं and I have no count. I have literally no count of the books that I have thought कि अच्छा ये बहुत interesting है, इसे मैं save कर लेती हूँ, मैं पढ़ूँगी, but मैंने पढ़ी नहीं है. That was about my TBR and now I'll tell you about my usual genre. So मैं जब से books पढ़ रही हूँ from around 12 years of age या उससे और पहले भी, तो I've read only 2 things in my life. I used to read, अभी तो शुरू कर दिया है और भी ज़्यादा, but one was fantasy. Like fantasy is my personal favorite. It just sends me into a different world and I can imagine whatever I want. So fantasy is my favorite genre. मैं यही पढ़ती थी और जो मेरे यूजुअल ऑथर्स थे यार, अलीशिया रेट्स. पहली नॉवल मैंने जो पढ़ी थी वॉज फ्रॉम अलीशिया रेट्स, फायर एंड फ्रॉस्ट. इट इज़ अ क्रिस्टल मैजिक बेस्ड नॉवल. Then I read a lot of books by Sarah Rash like Snow Like Ashes and the trilogy of Snow Like Ashes and Frost Like Night is the last book. मैं जो usually पढ़ती हूँ is that I don't read non-fiction, I don't read self-help. Okay, so how I got my hands on this book. This is a romance novel and a very cozy novel I would say. So how I got this was around my birthday. My very dear bhaiya was like कि ठीक है, we are going to get you a gift. So what do we get you for a gift? And he is very kind to ask me that because like okay, अगर ये बात कर ही रहे हैं, so I have this book on my TBR and I really want it. And around the release date ही बात हो रही थी, तो ये book pre-order कर दी थी भैया ने for me. Thanks to him I read it. I read it very slowly. We did not give an intro of the book. Sorry guys, sorry. Here, this is the book that I'm talking about. It's Too Good to Be True by Prajakta Kori. You all must have heard about Prajakta Kori. She is a very, well-based content creator. So I've been watching her since long. Okay, she is idolized by many people who have started YouTube. So when I also knew that she is a reader, so she recommends a lot of books too. So I used to follow her and when I got to know कि right, she is writing a novel, so my first thought that like came to my mind was कि अरे एक reader अब लिखने वाला है, so she knows exactly what people are going to like. That is exactly what she did. You will have to watch the video full. मैं अभी नहीं कुछ बताऊँगी, ठीक है. This book is around 310 pages and it took me 3 to 3.5 days to read it. So now we'll talk about the setup of the book. This book is set up in Bombay and like very cozy atmosphere and vibe it has created of the whole Mumbai setup that is it has given. So I'll introduce the characters first a little bit. The book is about Avni and her life. So she studies law, she lives in Bombay, she also part-time works at a bookstore, there's a coffee shop around the corner, she's an introvert and she has very few friends, Martin, Ria, Maya, just the people from around the corner. It is the dream. Also, can we talk about the cover? It's such a pretty cover because book के अंदर book. Wow, I'm all in, excited. We'll take it. There's a Reynolds pen, there's a coffee, there's a money plant and an aftershave. You'll know why the aftershave bottle is here, guys, if you read it. What did I not tell you about Avni? She wears kurti and silver earrings. As she's an introvert, she keeps her feelings bottled. She doesn't share very much. but eventually she does. Okay, so this is her maiden novel, by the way. This is the very first novel that she has written, and I think setup, good job. Male main leads, it's Aman, who is CEO and he owns a family business, Rana Textiles, and he is your perfect green forest person. It's like all the videos about men written by women, बनेंगे तो इनके बारे में बनेंगे अगर बन रहे हैं ऐसा वाला कैरेक्टर है. एंड ही इज जस्ट, एंड दिस गाय appears out of nowhere, all perfect, and he smells like aftershave, and he's just too perfect, and she can't believe it. So this is all the book is about, how everything is too good to be true, right? So that is Aman Raina for you. Another thing that I forgot to add was that Prajakta Koi also released her very own track for the book, which is Savre, captures the vibe totally. So agar if you're starting to read this one, do listen to it. It's very nice song. यही है कि वो पूरा वाइब कैप्चर हो जाता है. एंड बुक्स विथ प्लेलिस्ट्स और बुक्स विथ देयर ओन ट्रैक आर top notch. But to talk about her writing, the book is set up in a very cozy vibe. So if you get into reading it, you would want to complete it. It feels like this is what you were craving for as a reader, because this is not your मतलब usual कुछ ऐसा revelation नहीं हो जाएगा. This is a first novel. Let's just keep that in mind. But बहुत comforting है, and I think I can come back to it and read it again because of the setup only. So the setup is very cozy, and as a beginner I think the writing is not too tough. Very good job on it. And the next thing is कि जो scenario लिखे हैं, all the locations and all the scenarios, that is broken down really well. Like everything is detailed and with a very good breakdown. Not too much extra details also, because then it becomes boring and you have to keep the reader hooked. So this has done that for me. Okay, there is one drawback about this book. It has no index, but it is written in a narrative way. There is no third person perspective about the couple. या तो अवनी बता रही है कि क्या चल रहा है, या तो अमन बता रहा है कि क्या चल रहा है. And then the couple does face some problems. Obviously, to keep it realistic, it's not always too good to be true. Eventually they clear air about it, so there's no cliffhanger. The talks and all the conversations, there are nice, subtle, cute conversations and very healthy flirting kind of talk. You like reading it and you're like smiling all the time. Totally love it. If this book was adapted as a movie or as a web series, wow, I think it's true. Overall the experience was very good. I'm gonna rate it 8.5 on 10. So I'll just classify the books as can be read or it's okay if you pass type. So I'm just putting this in yes, read it, because I think this will be a new experience if you have not read anything of the romance genre, or even if you read it, if you read the romance genre usually, then this will be your light read that will take you out of the hardcore romance books. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Do like the video, also share this to all the loved ones and all the people who love reading. Just share it to everyone please, and do comment on the video about the review and about the other things that you want to see. Do subscribe my channel if you're new to it, and also click the bell icon to get all the notifications of whatever I post. And that is it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you all. Bye bye. Guys, I know frame badal chuki hai, but forgive me for not charging my tablet. I totally forgot charging it, and now it was okay. So it was just almost gonna die. Sorry. Why do I keep doing this?